wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best sewing baskets. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Singer Sew Essentials storage system isn't exactly a basket, but its features might tempt you to try it anyway. Inside you'll find 8 compartments as well as 40 spokes for large spools. On the outside you'll see 2 pockets for books. It's perfect for travel and contains over 150 notions. However, it is very hard to open. At number 9, eye-catching and sophisticated, the Juvale Vintage Organizer is a chic choice with a patterned fabric exterior and a button closure. It's only 8.5 inches long and 6.5 inches wide though, so don't expect it to hold a large amount of stuff. It includes a 3-compartment tray and is affordably priced, but it doesn't come with any accessories. Coming in at number 8 on our list. As you can guess from the name, the misslytton sewing box is a wooden construction that's good for corralling your most crucial items. It arrives with a handful of essential notions and latches closed to keep everything contained. It includes a 30-day money-back guarantee and anti-slip pads on the bottom. However, note that the tool colors are chosen randomly. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for sewing baskets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, both children and adults will appreciate the cute pink and black design on the Singer 7276, which features silhouettes of thimbles and safety pins. It stays shut via a loop and button on the front and sits on feet that won't damage surfaces. It's very well organized and reasonably priced, but the base is cardboard, not wood. Moving up our list to number 6. The Michley 41-piece kit comes with a generous selection of items, including such necessities as 16 thread spools, a seam ripper, a thimble, and more. It's a great starter option and perhaps even suitable for experienced tailors. There's room for a garment in progress and a locking mechanism on the front. However, the tray is very thin plastic. Halfway up our list at number 5, with its rich red interior and geometric print fabric exterior, the Prym Kyoto would be an eye-catching addition to your crafts room. It has a pin cushion integrated into its lid, so you never have to worry about losing this crucial item. It features a handy pocket on the inside of the lid and an attractive rounded design, but it is on the expensive side. At number 4, think outside the box or basket with the Find It Supply Caddy, which will keep all your necessities ordered and close at hand. It's made of sturdy canvas and provides a generous 10 internal storage loops and 6 outer pockets. The inner partitions are reconfigurable and it collapses when not in use. However, the exterior pockets are a bit shallow. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Tidy Crafts Large combines durability and usefulness with an attractive sewing-themed fabric and a compartmentalized organizer tray that keeps everything easy to find and get to. It's equipped with a pin cushion on the inside of the lid. It's great quality for the cost, with a sturdy wooden bottom and a handy inner pocket. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for sewing baskets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, from one of the oldest companies in the business, the Singer Vintage does nostalgia right. Its compact size is perfect for essentials, offering plenty of space beneath the plastic tray for storage. And with accessories included, it's a nice deal for the price. It's good for newbies and professionals, and includes a 60-inch tape measure and a classic tomato pin cushion. And coming in at number 1 on our list, dressmakers might be especially interested in the Dritz & Jane Large Oval, since it sports an attractive dress form print in creamy yellow, pink and green. The oval shape helps it stand out from the crowd, as does its black metal handle with wood accent. It comes from a reliable name in needlework supplies, with a large capacity. It's tough and made to last. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for sewing baskets, or simply click beneath this video.